Okay, so our project starts with us lighting this candle, which is going to set the string on fire connected to this golf ball, which is thermal to potential. The golf ball will roll down this ramp onto 3 different ways of the Jenga blocks, so it's kinetic to potential. The first path of the Jenga blocks will go on to hit this golf ball, which is potential to kinetic. It will then roll to these chimes, making sound energy from kinetic. The ball will also hit this case using kinetic to potential energy. The case will then fall onto this cup full of vinegar, onto this plate of baking soda, creating a chemical reaction.
Our second pathway of our Rube Goldberg project is started by a roll of Jenga blocks. It will then lead to the golf ball, which is potential to kinetic. Our golf ball will then knock our balloon off the table, which is kinetic to potential. Our balloon will be sitting on the toaster, and once it heats up, it will pop, which will be thermal to kinetic. Our balloon will knock over our golf ball, which will be kinetic to potential. Our golf ball will then lead to our case and books, which will be potential to kinetic. Our books will fall onto our remote control for our remote control car, which will be kinetic to electromagnetic. Our remote will cause our car to run into our cases, which will be electromagnetic to kinetic. On our last case, we have a ruler taped to it, which will rub against the strings, so that will be kinetic to sound energy. Our ruler will also knock off our cup of vinegar into our plate of Alka-Seltzer tablets, which will be kinetic to chemical.
I'll be explaining Jenga Path 3. When all the Jenga blocks fall over, it'll then make this case fall over, which is potential to kinetic, and it'll also hit this ball, falling onto the power switch, turning it on, causing the charger to charge the phone, which is kinetic to electromagnetic, and also causing the light to turn on, which is kinetic to electric.
Trial 27.